So this video is for the benefit of anybody that would like to see a more close-up kind of look at the stitching at regular straight stitching. I've done a lot of videos of the free motion stitching. I just happen to have a couple of cloth masks that I'm just finishing up with kind of a nice little edge stitch. So I'm gonna do that. And basically I'm just going to do a back tack, okay? And then I'm just stitching along the edge. Okay. And some more stitching. Oops, went off the edge there. That's really easy, just get back on track. Okay. I'm just going to snip those threads real fast. And then let's get that wrapped up. Okay. And so I have the stitching here. It's really nice and even because it's a straight stitch. If you've ever noticed kind of a wobbly nature to your stitching when you're sewing, it might be because you have one of those machines where you have all the different stitch functions where the needle can go back and forth. This machine is a straight stitch only, so you end up with just this impeccably straight stitch every single time. It looks really super straight because that needle has no functionality whatsoever built into the arm of that needle to move back and forth. And you wouldn't want it to anyway, because the needle plate just has this tiny little hole. So I had two of those to finish up, so I'm just going to show this from a different angle. So, once again, right here. And then I'm going to back tack on the back tack lever. Right like that, and just really nice. Okay, now we just flip that around. Flip that around some more. Okay. Beautiful. And then that's that one. Flipping my little threads off here. Okay. And then you can see here again with the way the stitching is, it's very nice and straight. Like that. And that's in black, not as easy to see because I was matching it up. But that cream colored thread shows against the red. And that's the kind of nice professional looking results that you can get. So also a great machine for garment making, so not just for quilting. That is a nice up-close look at the stitching that you can achieve on this machine. If you like more of this content, I have a lot more information about the Brother PQ1500SL at my channel, Getting Stitchy. So go ahead and click on the Getting Stitchy link there, and I even have a playlist made up if you want to watch it that way. If you find this information useful to you, please like and subscribe, as that really helps me out with being able to put out content that's going to be helpful. Thank you.